video I am going to discuss coding and decoding. If roast is coded as PQYUR in a certain language, then how sleepy be coded in that language? 4 options are there. You have to choose the correct answer. In this segment, the common sense of reasoning, secret messages of words have to be decoded. They are coded as per a definite pattern or rule which should be identified first. Then the same is applied to decode the another coded word. Under this segment, you come across 2 types of coding. First, the letter coding and the number coding. Based on these 2 types of coding and decoding, various types of problems come in your ways. First, let us consider the questions. So, this is the question. Let us read this question. If ROAST is coded as PQYUR in a certain language, then how will sloppy SLOPPY be coded in that language? 4 options are there: A, B, C and D. To solve these types of questions, we write it by this way. Here it is roasty. ROAST. This one roasty, and it is coded as PQYUR. And R. You have to consider those letters A, B, C, D, E, F and its sequence. Then it is considered PQR. PQR. Where side is become -2. OPQ. This becomes +2. A. This has to be plus minus. This has to be -2. YZ and A. This will be -2. S. After the S, this one. This has to be +2 is letters, and this has to be minus. P R is this one. R is and T. So this the sequence is written this. If this P sloppy SLOPPY, this must be written in the same sequence. Therefore, it comes with -2, +2, -2, +2, -2 and +2. This. Now, LMN. PQR. YZA. Last question is A. So this is the wrong answer. This is a wrong answer. So C, B or C must be the correct answer. Third question is R. This question is R. So this is wrong answer. So this is the right answer. So in this question, C is the right answer. So here the question is, if belief is coded as AFKKDI in a certain language, then how will cell dawn be coded in that language? 4 options are there. 1 true, 3 are false. Let's write this question. First up, we write the belief. BELIFE. Give some space there and write seldom. Write AFK. AFKKDI. Then clearly seen, first of all check this one as B and A related, F and I related, E these are related, this one is related. Then A B this become -1, E F this become +1, I J K L this I J K L this become -1, I J K this become +2, F D F and D this become the -1, E -2, and E F E I F and I E D F G H I A B C D E F G H I this become +3. So this is the coding. This -1 +1 -1 +2 -2 and +3. This is the coding. So Seldom will be coded as SELDOM. This has to be -1 +2 -1. Sorry, minus. This becomes +1 +2 -2 and +3. EF DEF MNOP MNOP +3. Then last will come with P. These are wrongs. C or D. Either C is right or D is right. F position is this second position F, and this position is of F and F. Whereas that is not. It is E. So our answer is C. C is the right answer, and the coding and decoding is solved. If computer is coded as R, F, U, V, Q, N, P, C in a certain language, then how will medicine be coded in that language? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options are there. One is correct, another is false. To write this question, first of all write computer, COMPUTER. Computer is written, then the code is written for computer. R, F, U, V, Q, N, P, and C. There have to check it. C and R. There it is R and C. They are reversed. So it goes to this position and it goes to first position. C and R. Now in the middle position, O M N O P Q O P this becomes O. This becomes one step forward. One step OPQ +1. This becomes E and F. This becomes E become +1. E and F. M and N. T U T U T U P P. This becomes this is the rule. And U and Q. Let's write the word medicine. MEDICINE. CINE. It is the word medicine. Now, if it is written as in that same code, then E goes in first place and M goes in last place. E and M, A or B, either A or B, and either A or B. M N O, N after that O, E after that F, E F, I, this I after that J, D, this becomes D, this becomes E, D after that it's E. By repeating this process we shall go for, we must have this, the word E O J D J E F, E F M, E F M. So B is the right answer. In a certain code, monkey is written as X D J M N L. How tiger is written? How tiger written in the same code? So I read the question. If monkey is coded as X D J M N L in a certain language, then how will tiger be coded in that language? Monkey, M O N K E Y. Monkey is written as X D J M N L, M N L. Monkey is written as is this one. There M and L, Y and X, they are related terms. So after that LM, this becomes LM, this becomes -1. X and Y, X and Y, and this is -1. D E, it is -1. N O, this becomes -1. So this is the codes. X Y, it's -1. L M M, it's -1. Therefore, the code for tiger, TIGER, is QR. This becomes R -1. ST, this becomes -1. S and T, this has to be there, -1. So QS, only the A is the answer. After that EF, this becomes has to be F. I, it has to be H. This becomes -1. HI. D, DEF, DE, QD, then some F will be there, HS. So A is the answer. in a certain code, board is written as E, Q, B and C, then how climb written in the same code? If board is coded as E, Q, B and C in a certain language, then how climb be coded in that language? These are the four alternatives, one correct and other three are false. Let's check. B, O, A, R and D. Yes, it is coded as E, Q, B and C. It is B and it is C. This becomes this B, C plus 1. It is D and it is E. This is plus 1 in O. This becomes minus 1. QR, it is QR, it is minus 1. QR minus 1. NO, it is minus 1. And AB, this one plus 1. So this is the rule of the code. Now climb C, L, I, M and B. This goes to this, so it is plus 1. It is plus 1 and this goes there, it is plus 1. C after the D and B after the C, D, C plus D last. So A is the answer. This has to be negative 1 minus, there 1 minus. I, J, K, L. This becomes K, L minus 1. K, L minus 1. L, M. L, M. From this one, it is minus 1. L, M. And I after that J. So A is the right answer and this one the false. So secret messages of words have to be decoded. They are coded as per the definite pattern or rule which should be defined in the first, and the same rule is applied to evaluate the next final answer. This is the chapter of coding and decoding. These types of questions comes in exam, very important exam. Several types of government and non-government NGOs exams take the coding and decoding as their syllabus of their exam. So prepare it.